How to add new text in Squarespace easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add a new text in your Squarespace website. So let's get into it. First of all, you're going to open up your squarespace.com and log into your account. Select the website that you want to add it and it will take you right here. On our Squarespace website, of course, we have different text that we need to add. We have headings and paragraphs and many other text. So how to add a new text or a new section to write a paragraph on your website. Select the page, click on edit. It will take you to your Squarespace editor. You can see now I can edit everything. To add a new text instead of the text that you already have with the template, we can actually add a new section so that I can show you clearly. So I'm going to select a blank section. Alright, so we have a blank section here. Now I'm going to click on add block, and in add block we have different blocks available. We have images, buttons, forms, codes, maps, line, and we also have text. So you're going to select text and you can see now I can write text here. This is going to be like a text. You can of course expand it where you want your text to be. So this is going to be my layout for the text, like a paragraph that I will be adding. And then you can write whatever you want to write. You can select what type of text you want. Let's say I want a heading or a paragraph. We have a monospace, heading 2, heading 3. Let's go with heading 1. It's going to be like a big text here. Let's say this is my text. Now we can make it bold. We can change the alignment, color of the text, size of the text, everything according to our, adjustments. So this is how you add a new text. Similarly, now I can maybe go with a paragraph and type in a paragraph here, like whatever I want to go for. So this is how you add text to your Squarespace website. If you want to edit the text that you already have, so you can just select the text, click on edit, and you will be able to do so. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up or leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.